What is up, my Nebulings? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry for the 6-month long wait. During these 6 months, I've soon realized that, YouTube's not quite cutting it for me. And I don't have a job, but I still want to help out this beautiful society we live in. So I thought to myself, how can I make a difference in the world? And it soon dawned on me that I need to become a SoundCloud rapper. So today, I want to teach you guys how to be SoundCloud rappers. Before you can even start making rap, you gotta look like a SoundCloud rapper. Cause, you ain't shit if you ain't lit. A lot of SoundCloud rappers follow the same aesthetic. First things first, you need dreads or braids. And you want them to be a very vibrant color, a color that really pops. A color that really represents you, Alright, I went ahead, braided my hair, dyed it blonde. I didn't want it to be too crazy, but I still wanted it to be edgy. So I thought blonde was a pretty good color. Next up is clothes. SoundCloud rappers wear a lot of brand clothing, so go down to your local Gucci or Louis Vuitton, pretty much buy whatever the fuck you want. I have an old Supreme t-shirt lying around, so I'm gonna throw that on right now. Look at that heat right there. Oh yeah, also you need cloud goggles and a Rolex. Another thing rappers really like to do is taking the most impractical thing and wearing it. Now that you're looking all iced out, let's go make some music. Alright, first things first, go on YouTube and search for a type beat. Low pump type beats or ski mask type beats work really well because they're really nice and hype. Next, use a YouTube to MP3 converter to download the track, and then you can go ahead and start writing lyrics. Your lyrics should be about basically just guns, sex, and drugs. I wrote my song about lean, which is a very popular drug that rappers drink. Alright, so far the lyrics I've come up with: sippin' lean, sippin' lean, sippin' lean, stacking up the green. Sippin' lean, sippin' lean, sippin' lean, stacking up the green. Serving in a whip, ISIL on my wrist, money in my fist. I pull up with a stick, hit the stew quick when I made a hit, and I fucked your bitch. Then I made a kid. The verse, fucked your bitch. It's just so cliche that I had to throw it in. So yeah, make sure you include reference to fucking some guy's bitch. Studios are very expensive. However, don't you fear, cause the DIY god himself will show you how to easily make your own studio with only a mattress. Now record away in your very own DIY booth. Now just slap a lil in front of your name, make a music video, and you're good.
Wednesday's incident at a Buffalo public school that sent 4 kids to the hospital is not the first in the district. The kids becoming sick after ingesting a homemade drug called lean.
Sippin' lean, sippin' lean, sippin' lean, stacking up the green. Sippin' lean, sippin' lean, sippin' lean, stacking up the green. Swerving in a whip, ISIL on my wrist, money in my fist. I pull up with a stick, hit the stew quick when it made a hit. Then I felt your bitch, then I made a kid. Tattoos on my body, tattoos on my face. Made my first milli, but I still can't get a date. Life won't give me lemons, so I make some lemonade. Then I asked some activists, and now it's Powerade. Sipping every day, sipping every night. Sipping lean, and I think I'm going blind. Dinner, lunch, and breakfast, mixing lean like a canvas. I've been living super reckless, cop a grill, fuck a dentist. I'ma sip the scissor up, styrofoam, double cup, anti-haven, bust a nut, Nebula don't give a fuck. Bitch, I made a fat check, you should get your facts checked. And you know that I'm next, by the way that I flex. Sipping lean, sipping lean, sipping lean, stacking up the green. Sipping lean, sipping lean, sipping lean, stacking up the green. Sipping lean, sipping lean, sipping lean, stacking up the green. Sipping lean, sipping lean, sipping lean, stacking up the green.